Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a snowman titan, so hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Snowman Kaiju, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to begin right here by making a line that's just going to kind of come down and then angle back. Then I'm just going to make a curved line here. I want to make a curve here and a curve here, and we'll just kind of color in the rest of it so it kind of looks like his eyes made of coal. I'll make a little bump here. Next, right here, I want to make a line that's going to come out and then back here, and we're going to curve it around. Then we're just going to make some little bumps on here for his like carrot nose. I'll make a little line that's going to come out here. And then we're just going to make a little line here. And we're going to make a line down here. I'm going to make some sharp teeth right here that looks like they're made out of snow. Make a line down, and we're going to make some more sharp teeth here. I'm going to bring this back into here, and I'm going to kind of curve this line down. I'm going to bring this line up, and then another little line here. For the arms, I'm just going to make a line that's going to kind of come out and then down. I'll make another line that's going to come out, and I'm going to bring this down. Or make a little jagged finger here, and then a couple little claws here. And then I'm going to add all these little kind of like broken lines on here. It kind of looks like they're made out of like sticks. So we're just going to make these all around here. Make a little line here, and then we're going to make another bigger bump here. Then I'm going to make a big bump right here, and then another bump there. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and into here for the leg. We'll make a pointed little foot or toe, pointed one here, and then we'll make another one here, and then one here. Bring this line up and then curve it up to here and around. Make a little line down to here, and we'll put a couple of these little bumps here. We'll bring this up and in for the other leg. I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come out, and then back here, and we'll just kind of leave it there for the tail. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and we're going to bring this up for the other arm. We're going to put a claw here, and then we're going to make a couple more claws over here. Bring this in, and then over to here. Then just like we did that other one, let's kind of go ahead and put all these little fun broken lines on here just for some different details. Make it look like it's got that really cool wood texture on there. Now, since we're making this like a kaiju, we want to make him look like he's really big. So I thought it'd be kind of fun on the back here to make it look like he's got these pine trees on there. So I'm going to make these kind of like pointed little like pine tree spikes back here. And we're just going to make these all along the back, make a smaller one up here. And we're just going to kind of put these all across the back, making these kind of like pointed little pine trees. And this is just kind of like a fun way just to make it look like he's really, really big if he's got trees all along his back. And we can make these extra little lines on there. Even make some lines across, kind of make them look a little bit more like a pine tree. Then just kind of come in here, we're going to add some little broken lines in some spots around here, just to give it a little bit of that snowy texture. Can even put like some little kind of like rounded bump shapes on here just to give it a little bit of that snow look. And I'm just going to kind of put some right along here too. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Snowman Kaiju. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.